Welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate your Hubspot account with Nimbata. Now everybody knows how important it is to log your contact information in your favorite CRM, and today I'm going to show you how to do so. From the Setup Integrations page in Nimbata, click on Hubspot, click on the button Sign In with Hubspot, and choose your account within Hubspot that you want to link with Nimbata. That's it. Once done, Nimbata will tell you that the app is connected successfully to HubSpot. I'm going to change the brand here and show you what types of configuration options you have. Starting off from the first window, we have to tell Nimbata exactly what data to send to HubSpot once a call is received. So you enable the integration and then you choose how call events should be presented in HubSpot, either as a contact activity or as a form submission. And then if you want all calls or only answered calls to be included, if only answered calls are to be included, set a minimum threshold of seconds and then the formatting of the number that is sent to HubSpot. From there on, there are two options. The first is what happens when the person who's calling you is not found in HubSpot. And the second is what happens when the person that called you, the caller ID, is an existing record in a HubSpot. Now I'm going to cover both of these. In the first case, when the caller ID is not found, you have the option to create a contact or a company. I've chosen contact here. And then set any type of information that you want to send to HubSpot. For instance, I've set the first name to Nimbata and the last name to lead. So if I go back to my HubSpot account, I can quickly click on this and understand that this is a new call, right? And apart from this, I'm also sending, of course, the phone number, which is the caller ID. And then right down here on the body section, we create an inbound call activity with all the marketing insights that I need to understand where the call came from. So the caller ID, the tracking number, the duration, landing page, UDM sources, the GCLID, if they called from a Google Ads campaign, and so forth. And all of this is captured here. So here you can see that I had a call from this number, from this landing page, Google Organic, the GA ID, and all the information that I need in regards to the call. Now, the second option is what happens when the caller ID matches an existing record. And here you also have the option to choose if you want Nimbata to edit and handle multiple objects, meaning both the contact and the company, and any objects that are found multiple times. So if you want to handle the first contact or handle all. The idea here is, again, that if somebody calls, you create an inbound call activity. Since this is already one of your customers, you can choose exactly how to set up the marketing options that will be sent to HubSpot. Again, here on the body, you've noticed that I've included the tracking number, friendly name, source, medium, and action page. So if I head back to HubSpot and search for an existing contact, you'll see that there's a call activity here telling me exactly the source, the UDM source and medium, and the action page that the person called from.